and welcome back. We're going to be comparing some more groups. But first of all, we need to warm up our brains. Last time we did one more and one less. So we're going to keep doing that. If I point to a number, can you tell me what's one more and what's one less? So 1 more than 2 is 3. 1 less than 2 is 1. Fantastic. Can you tell me what's 1 more and 1 less? 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 less than 8 is 7. Fantastic. So today we're going to be comparing groups using greater than and fewer than. Now we're not going to be using the words. This says symbols, and I've got some symbols that you've probably seen before. This is the greater than symbol and the fewer than symbol. We use a crocodile because the crocodile is always hungry, and the crocodile always eats the biggest amount. So if I have some things to compare, and I'm going to start with this crocodile. Which group of things is he going to eat? Is he going to eat the cupcakes? Or is he going to eat the apples? Let's have a think. He's going to eat the most because he's always hungry. Are we going to use this symbol or this symbol? Fantastic, we're going to use this one, aren't we? Because the crocodile is going to eat the most. So this is the symbol for less, fewer than. So 2 apples are fewer than 6 cupcakes. We're comparing 2 groups, but we don't need to use the words. Normally in school we use the symbol, the less than symbol. We just have to imagine that that is a crocodile, because we know crocodiles are so hungry. We're going to find some more things for the crocodile to eat. Okay, I've got hats and I've got buttons. Now we know crocodiles will eat anything. So which crocodile is going to go in the middle? Is it going to be the less than, fewer than crocodile, or the greater than crocodile? Sometimes we say less than. That's why I keep forgetting. But we're going to say fewer than. Fantastic. The greater than, because there's more hats than there is buttons. If I was putting the symbol, what symbol would I put? Brilliant, I would do this symbol, wouldn't I? I'm sure you've all been learning that in school. We're going to do different things. We're not just going to do all these different things here. We're going to use some 5 frames. And a Numicon. Which crocodile do we put in the middle? The greater than or the fewer than? Fantastic. This is the greater than. Well done. Sometimes there are, let's find it, the other one. Instead of one of these, sometimes they try to trick you. And you don't need a crocodile because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So there is no bigger pile. There's no greater amount. That's when you use the equal to. It means that this is the same as this. So the crocodiles aren't interested because there isn't a more or a greater than. That's when we use the equal sign. Instead of using things, we're going to use numbers. This gets tricky because unless you know your numbers, you're not going to know the answer to these. What crocodile do we need to use? Is it the less than crocodile, the fewer than crocodile, or the greater than crocodile? Brilliant. It's the greater than, isn't it? Fantastic. Okay. I've done another one. Is that right? Is 2 greater than 9? No. It's this way, isn't it? 2 is fewer than 9. I'm going to make it even more complicated. We're going to use a symbol. I've got 5 buttons and 9. Are we using the right crocodile? Are we using the right symbol? Yeah, we are, aren't we? 5 is fewer than 9. Remember, these crocodiles are only to help us. We need to learn to do the greater than symbol, the fewer than symbol, and the equal to. And you know how to do the equals because we do those on number sentences, don't we? Well done. I'm going to put some numbers on my board and some amounts. Okay, what should go here? What symbol should go here? And what symbol should go here? Pause the video and try and work it out. Okay, welcome back. We're going to use our crocodiles. The crocodile's very hungry. Is he going to eat the 2 apples or the number 4? Which one? Fantastic. He's going to eat the number 4. What's he going to eat? The number 8 or the 5 buttons? Oh, brilliant. The number 8. What about the last one? Which one's he going to eat? Wants to eat the most, the biggest value. Fantastic. Well done. So we know that 2 apples is fewer than 4. We know that 8 is greater than 5 buttons. We also know that 1 is fewer than 6. Great maths today, everybody. Well done. See you next time.